Good morning,
In
children.
this video,
In this session, we're going to learn about the decimal point. Let us go through the video, children.
learn more about it through some interesting examples. Appu and Chanda have come to the market to buy tables for their respective homes. Chanda liked this table very much. She asked uncle, "How long is this table, uncle?"
This table is 1.20 meters long.
Uncle told Chanda. "How many meters would that be, uncle? I didn't understand anything," asked Chanda.
Chanda dear, I will explain to you. Tell me, how many centimeters is 1 meter?
100 centimeters.
Exactly. It means 1 centimeter is 1/100th part of a meter. Let me tell you how.
Can you understand this, children? So, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, isn't it?
We can write the 100th part of any number using decimal point. A centimeter is 1/100th.
So, children, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 of 1 meter. So, we can write it like this, isn't it?
Of a meter. Here we are dividing 1 by 100. Can you tell me how many zeros are there in 100?
Uncle asked Chanda. 2 zeros.
Absolutely right. Now it's very easy. We will move the decimal point twice to the left, starting from the end of the number like this. And because this
So, children, can you understand? The 1 divided by 100. So, there in 100 we have 2 zeros, So, from the left end we will need to move 2 digits, children.
thing from the end of the number like this 1, and because this number, we can add a 0 on the left side and then slide the decimal point to the left for the
So, we need to move 2 digits, So,
second time. In this way, 1 centimeter becomes 0.01 meter.
Uncle explained to Chanda. Okay, now I understood, uncle. The length of this of a meter is equal to 1 centimeter. 20/100th part of a meter will be equal to 1 into 20 or 20 centimeters.
can you understand, children? Here they given 20 divided by 100 of meter. So how can you write it? 120 is equal to 20 centimeter, isn't it? Then
will be equal to 1 into 20 or 20 meters. So, the length of this table will be 1 meter and 20 centimeters. Well done, Chanda. You learned very quickly.
Uncle said to Chanda. Appu liked this table.
Uncle, what is the length of this table?
Chanda asked Uncle.
2 meters and 5 centimeters.
Uncle said to children, can you tell how we can length of this table using decimal point? If you wish to, five centimeters is the 500th part of a meter. In other words, we are dividing 5 by 100. To write it using the decimal point, we will move the decimal point to the left once, starting from the end of 5 first, according to the procedure taught by Uncle. And then, because 5 is made up of only one digit, we will once again move the decimal into the left by adding a 0 to the left of 5. In this way, 5 centimeters is 0.05 meters.
I hope you can understand, children. So 5 meter, how can we write in terms of meter? Just 5 divided by 100 means you have 20 there. So after 2 digit, 1, 2, from left. Okay, from left you have to start. After the 2 digit, you make a decimal point. 5 divided by 100 only. So what you have? Just you have to 5 alone. So 1 digit you have. So instead of 1 more digit, 2 digit we need. So I put 1 0. Then I made a decimal point here. So after the 2 digit, you put a decimal point. This is the decimal point, isn't it? So what comes now? 5 centimeter is equal to nothing but 0.05 meter. Can you understand?
If we add 2 meters to it, the length of the table will be 2.05 meters. Chanda and Appu bought their own. What is hundredth? Through some interesting examples. In the next video, we will look at some of the misconceptions related to this.
Dear children, I hope you all learn about a decimal point in this session. Thank you, children.